Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 is making a funny noise and losing suction, it could be due to a faulty motor or blockages in the system. This issue can escalate if left unattended, leading to more extensive damage and a costly repair. Don't ignore those strange sounds coming from your vacuum cleaner, they often signal a problem that needs addressing. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor for the Dyson V10, a pair of tweezers, and a clean cloth to keep everything tidy. Start by ensuring your Dyson V10 is unplugged. With your screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the base of the vacuum. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off, taking care not to force it as there are clips holding it in place. With the base removed, locate the motor. It is usually at the top of the unit. You may need to disconnect a few cables to access it fully. Take a moment to note where these cables go, as you will need to reconnect them later. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you have access to the motor, unscrew it and carefully lift it out of the housing. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components during this process. You can now take your new motor and place it in the same position as the old one. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the cables in their original positions, ensuring they are firmly attached. After everything is back in place, gently replace the base of the Dyson V10, ensuring it clicks into position. Finally, replace the screws to secure the base. Give your vacuum a test run to ensure it is functioning correctly and the funny noise has disappeared. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to clean the filters regularly and check for blockages in the hose and brush bar. Keeping your Dyson V10 well maintained will help prolong its life and efficiency. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.